We've been talking about this summer and extreme heat and the impact on our environment, and it is something NASA is studying too. And right now they are helping Prince George's County research the sweltering effects of climate change. Tonight, environmental reporter Scott Broom gives us an inside look at their work and how it's fueling future climate projects.
NASA, headquartered here in Prince George's County in Greenbelt, helping its home community determine the hottest hotspots where action can be taken to help people endure extreme heat episodes and a future of climate change.
NASA Goddard is collaborating with Prince George's County to make our NASA data, our global data, useful for local climate action.
Dr. Stephanie Scholars-Oos is a NASA Earth scientist.
So we know that the climate projections for NASA Goddard are showing warming,
which is where observations from a NASA satellite called Aqua comes in. It sees the hottest hotspots. More importantly, Aqua has been downloading data since 2002.
By working with their GIS analysts, we're able to get our data into their system.
This is a shopping center right off of Veterans Parkway.
Charles Braze is Prince George's County's Geographic Information Systems analyst.
The areas within the inner beltway are very hot. They continue to be hot. They are getting hotter.
Now, as we're on an impervious surface, it's getting to about 130 degrees.
The satellite data leads us to communities like Fairmount Heights, where County Department of Environment specialist Milan Brown uses an infrared camera to illustrate shocking temperature differences between areas with trees and impervious surfaces like parking lots and rooftops.
It's undeniable when you show somebody, the real temperature difference.
That census tract is almost 10 degrees hotter than a neighboring rural or wooded area.
That's the kind of heat that can kill people. And the result is local investments to mitigate and manage heat and climate change, like a reforestation project here in Fairmount Heights.
It's pretty hot out here.
Here's some of my conversation with Mary Abe, who directs the Sustainability Division of the Prince George's County's Department of Environment.
You have to prioritize based on the people that need the improvements the most, because you could put trees all over the place. It doesn't matter if it's not getting to the people that need it the most. And so when you do this mapping for NASA with the heat island impacts, we're not only just stopping at the heat mapping, we're laying equity over it. We're laying our tree canopy cover over that. We're laying over our nuisance flooding issues. If I'm going to invest and I'm going to prioritize who I invest first, this is where we do it.
And that's what a space agency can do about climate mitigation for the community it calls home. In Prince George's County at the Goddard Space Flight Center, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.